Hello, this is Dr. Bolden. I wanted to go through the statistics assignment, make sure everybody understands the different things that are being asked, and also kind of show you where it is in the textbook. So, on the assignment, you'll notice the questions are on the first page, and then you have a data table on the second page. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead and separate male from female. So you can either make two data tables or put them together with all the male first and then do the females. It just makes it easier to work with the data. All right, so the first question deals with central tendency. And in your textbook, you'll find that starting on page 486. It talks about the three measures of central tendency being the mean, the mode, and the median. So you're going to find that for the female participants and for the male participants. And then you're also going to be looking for the variance and standard deviation. In your textbook, that is going to be start on page 489. Will give you variance, and then variance is used to find standard deviation. And so that takes you from 489 to 490. Okay, so you'll use that for the male participants and for the female participants. So number 5 is to develop the frequency polygon. So I'm going to show you an easy way you can do this using Microsoft Word, or you can draw it by hand, or you can use an Excel chart. Now, Microsoft Word gives you a draw option, which is really nice to work with. All right, and so you'll see for the polygon table, you're going to start with a graph having the X and Y axis. And then notice we are looking for comparing male and female participants for playing video games and exercising. So one of our axes is going to be the exercising, and forgive my writing. I'm doing this with my finger. So we're going to put hours of exercise on this side. And then on the other axis, we're going to do hours of video games. And then you can mark your hours. When you look at your data table, you'll notice the most video hours is, looks like it's around 16.5, so 16 and a half. So you would want 17 marks. And then for your hours of exercise, the same thing will work. Till I run out of room. Okay, so I have my hours and I have of exercise and hours of video, and so now all I have to do is mark my data points. And so when I look at like the first female, and I'm going to choose pink to do the female, is 12 hours of video and 2 hours of exercise. So I'm going to go over to 12 hours of video. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then up to 2 hours for exercise, and then I'll plot my point. And then so I would do that for all the females. And it gives you the idea of hours of video and hours of exercise for the entire group. And then for the men, let's say I use green for the guy, for male. So my first mail is 3 hours of video and 14 hours of exercise. So I go over 3 hours of video and up 14 hours of exercise. And then I'm going to plot all of the mail data points. Okay, and so then once you've done that, and you compare that with all your other mean, median, mode, variance, and standard deviation, then you get to summarize question number 6. All right, so hopefully this will help you complete the assignment. As you are working on your central tendency and your standard deviation and variance, if you want to post that in our Moodle group, this part is not for, the posting is not for a grade. Here it is, descriptive statistics collaboration. So if you want to post some of your responses, some of the answers you're finding, and how you're getting that, you can help each other out, that's fine. There's no grade for doing the collaboration, but you are expected to submit your your statistics assignment by Sunday. So I look forward to seeing that. If you have any questions, please let me know, and I will talk with you later. Have a great week.